And there you go. She looks more happy now, doesn't she, in here?
Red gets an aviary. So we're making Red's aviary today. And these are all the parts that we're going to be using. We've got some aluminium rods and aluminium vents thingamajigs. We've got some screws and nut bolt things. I call them things. So we've made this box for the window so that Red can't fly out whilst we're transferring. And then we have these panels to make the actual aviary. And then this is the front door panel. So we've started to make the panel bit near the window, the half near the window. And we've completed that now. Now we're going to... Dad's put some spiky things on the fence so that cats and birds can't come near Red. Like, they can come into trees, but not actually near him. So, yeah. And then we're gonna we just made the second half, so the door half. And then we put it all on. And I'd say that's pretty good. Now let's see if Red will like it or not. This is Red looking at the aviary. Now let's watch this video.
That's quite intrigued. So what we're going to do is we're going to... Hello, boobs. How are you doing? Kiss, 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 kiss. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the window for the first time and see if Bubble comes over.
Might take Bubble a while.
Yeah, yes.
Very new to Bubble. It will take Bubble a while.
What is it, Red? Come on then.
What did you Bubble? Well, if we give him an apple, we already have an apple.
So let's see how Red gets on.
Red will go in. We're going to look outside. Where is Puma going? Is he just going to fly to the...
So there's Red. I can see Reddy. So she's having a little look, you can see. Oh, so we've got her to the window. She's come from a sunflower seeds.
We've done it!
She's on the window ledge, everyone. And there's Red for the first time. Hello, Boo Boo. What you doing? And there you go. She looks more happy now, doesn't she, in here? So this is Red's new aviary. And if you're going to keep a bird, make sure you give the bird the room that it needs and everything to keep the bird happy.